Alright, we're in the new room. This is the money saver room, but it is beautiful. Check this out. We've got the beach view now. It's a little bit more private. It's kind of good. Got this little balcony here. We're gonna go for a dip in the ocean right now. And check it out in here. Got the king size bed. Check that out. Hey. Alright. So we got same amenities pretty much. Same stuff. Got the rain shower. Got the toilet without a view this time, but whatever. And let's go check out this ocean. And we got a little stairway over here. It's the stairway to heaven. And we're gonna go straight in that ocean right now. Hopefully it's not too much coral under the feet. So I didn't wear my wet shoes yet. This is the entrance where we park our motorcycles. And this is it. I'll leave my slippers right here. This way I'll wash my feet when I get back. Oh, looky, 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 looky. This sand is amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. We're going for a dip in the Indian Ocean, people. Oh yeah. Check this out. Look at that. We got our own little sky studio there. Check this out, man. This is a honeymoon. Oh, this is a honeymoon. Hey? Would you just look at this pristine, absolutely pristine beach. Oh, here we go, folks. Let's get it. Oh. Oh, any sharkies? Where's the sharkies? Oh, it's such a nice temperature, guys. Oh, no coral. Oh, actually, I just stepped on one that was sharp. Okay, we're gonna have to walk on our heels. But still, very little. Don't really need the wet shoes. They're better, though. There is little pieces of coral under your feet, and they are sharp. So it's probably better I swim than walk. So let's go for a dip. Oh, let's go for a dip. You ready? Oh, let's get it. Oh, 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 it's rocky. Come on, give me some sand. All right, here we go. Oh. Oh, it's a little bit saltier, I think, over here. Oh, I need my wet shoes. We're gonna have to go back and get those. But this is nice. Oh, this is nice. Oh, which one's ours? Shit, I don't know which one's ours now. They don't put the numbers on it. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Oh, definitely gonna have to go back and get those wet shoes. But this is beautiful. Oh, salt in the eyes. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna go get the wet shoes. Ow, 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 ow. 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 Oh. Okay. Walk slow, Pete. Walk slow. Look for sand. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's all these little pieces of sharp coral under your feet. Oh. Oh, oh, and you can't swim back. You gotta walk it. Oh, definitely need the wet shoes. I definitely need the wet shoes. Oh, this is good. Let's go get our wet shoes. We're gonna go back. And we're gonna get the wet shoes before I stab myself in the foot with something sharp. Oh, 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 come on, come on, oh, 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 this was a bad idea, no wet shoes. Oh, damn. Maldives has a lot of coral. Oh, oh, sand and coral. At least you know there shouldn't be any stingrays hiding under the sand here because there's so much coral. Yeah, it's good. Okay, here we go. That's better. Oh, oh, that feels better. All right. Oh, that is fantastic. Now, which one is ours? I think it's this one straight ahead. I think it's that one straight ahead. Man, you don't even need a towel here. The sun just dries you. It's not even strong right now, the sun. But yeah, no need for a towel. Oh, this might be us. Hang on, I think this is us. Yeah, this one's us. Doesn't look like we have any neighbors yet. That's cool. I like that. Private. Yeah, no neighbors. Not yet, anyways. I'm sure they're coming. Rinse my feet off. Oh yeah, that's pressure. That's good pressure. Oh. Alright. That's good pressure. Alright, let's turn it off.